Class 80. How power conditioners will work. First case, MOV. This MOV will have very high voltages for normal voltages, that is operating voltages. So it will act as open circuit. It will have very high resistance. So it is as though this is not in the circuit. So circuit is only this, which is the usual one. When the voltage increases the limit, this will act as a conducting circuit and it will draw current. When you draw current, the fuse will blow if it is for a long time, else it will take the current from there to here. So it will protect this circuit. Examples of MOVs. Sometimes thermistors also come in the same package. So you should know that. Next, how EMI filters work. So causes of EMIs which had been given there, or if not there, some of them are put here. You may study from here. See, causes of EMIs, both man-made and natural sources. Man-made means what? See, ignition systems. What happens is, when you switch on some circuits, there will be radiation. That is man-made. Natural means lightning, solar radiation, rain spray, all these things. They also cause EMIs in electrical circuits. Right. Now, actually this was causes was in the previous part. Now reduction. We will use filters. LC circuits usually. You know filters in your electronic circuits, same type. See here. Capacitor, inductor. If there is high frequency, capacitor will act as short circuit, inductor will act as open circuit. So high frequency, if it comes, it will go like this. It will also not be allowed to pass here. Even if it passes, again you have another some capacitance. So if some pass like that, you can also tune. So in filters, to bypass high frequencies, usually this radiation will be at high frequency. Radiation will not be in low frequency. Okay. So it will be high frequency. So high frequency, to suppress high frequencies, capacitor will be used as parallel. Inductor will be used in series. Because capacitor will act as short circuit for high frequency. You know, capacitive reactance decreases with frequency. Xc is equal to 1 by 2 pi Fc. So as frequency increases, capacitive reactance decreases. It will act as short circuit. Similarly, XL is 2 pi FL. As frequency increases, its reactance increases. So it will act as high resistance for through it. So this high frequency will not pass through the inductor. So it will block. Next, shielded isolation transformers.